any dish, Veal Francese. Also can be used chicken, shrimp, fish, salmon, whatever you like. So let's go start with the ingredient right away. We have the veal scallopini. And let me just mention to you, the veal scallopini, you can buy like that in the supermarket. However, I would recommend you to pound it a little bit more so you can make it very thin. And please do very thin because it will shrink once you start cooking it. So we have the scallopini, we have the lemon juice, we have eggs, parsley, Parmesan cheese, butter, a little bit of milk, chicken stock, flour, oil, salt, and pepper. So let's get ready and start cooking with Chef Ed. So let's start cooking. First of all, we're gonna beat up the eggs. And basically you wanna beat it up real good. And we're gonna add just a little bit of milk. I add like a kind of a 2 tablespoons, and that basically it. At this point here, I add a little bit of Parmesan cheese. Remember, Chef Ed cook with flavor. We don't cook without flavor. So I'm gonna add like a kind of a teaspoon of Parmesan cheese here. I'm gonna add a little bit of parsley. The other rest of the parsley is when we serve it, okay? And for the sauce. So this is basically what we're gonna do. Right here and then, what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna take, and I have some glove on, okay? Because it's very important when you do messy stuff like that, just use gloves, okay? So we're gonna dredge it with flour like so. See, and don't be shy. Just put a lot of flour because this is gonna create like a kind of a batter, all right? And you're gonna drop it like that. We're gonna be doing like, let's say 6 pieces. I already have put some oil. I'm putting a little bit more oil here. And the amount of oil you're gonna put in here just to cover the pan. You don't wanna put too much because it's a waste. You don't wanna do that. But just do enough so it's covered. At this point, my glove is not here because you don't need gloves when you deal with heat. So basically what we're gonna do, we're gonna drop, make sure, this is a test right here. You drop just a drop of oil. There we go. You see when it bubble like that right away, that means it's ready. So right there and then you drop your veal. And if you see right away, it starts sizzling right there, okay? And one thing when you work with eggs, please make sure that you quick enough, all right? Okay, there we go. Now, if you see already start getting brown in the edge, the very first piece that I did, and this only takes a matter of seconds. Look how beautiful color. That's what we're looking for, all right? Then we're gonna go with the second piece. Look at that, beautiful, all right? So, there we go. At this point, we're gonna leave it for 10 seconds, and we're gonna take away the extra oil that we have, okay? All right, so we already reached the color that we're looking for, and basically what you wanna have is a very light brown color, not too brown. Then, right here, then, you take away all the essence of fat, because you don't want no oil whatsoever here. This is what you want. You put it back in the pan again, and we're gonna put the white wine. White wine is dry, and I did not mention to you in my presentation of the ingredients because I had it behind me, but it's okay. So we're gonna drop the wine, okay? You see how it starts bubbling right there, okay? We're gonna add right there the lemon juice, okay? I have half of the lemon, okay? And you see the pips are there, but we're gonna take those pips right away because that's not supposed to go in the sauce, okay? In the meantime, that's gonna reduce, okay? We take a spoon like this, and we take away all that. See, I put it in my pan, in my rag, see? There we go. And now, in the meantime, what I'm letting is just to reduce, so there's no more pip there, okay? Right here, then, what I do, I drop my chicken stock. Okay, you can do any basic chicken stock, okay, chicken broth. All right, there we go. As you already see, you see all the bubbling, that's giving me a sign that it's already reducing. So, basically what we're gonna do, we're gonna add a little bit of butter at a time because it's a butter sauce. You don't wanna drop all the butter at once because it will just break the sauce. What I mean break the sauce, it will separate the butter and it will separate the water and the oil from it. So right here and then, you see I shot this off already because I don't want too much high heat. Now you see how it's turning into the sauce? Right here and then, I put my parsley because I want to put a little bit of parsley, okay? And then remember we talked about the magic sauce. I'm going to drop 2 drops, just to feel that yellowness. I don't like yellow sauce. I don't know, the only yellow sauce that I like is olive sauce. So you see, right here and then, I'm going to get my veal. My veal's right over here, and basically I'm going to drop it right there. So get all the salt in that sauce. Look at this, beautiful. Now we're talking about flavor. A little bit of Parmesan cheese, it will never hurt in any Italian food. So I put just a little bit. That will help my sauce to thick up a little bit. Plus, it added beautiful flavor. Alright, right here again, we have my salsa right here. I mean my palm. Look at this. What a beautiful. You see it's a yellow sauce, but it's not as yellow as supposed to be. I like it more, a little bit into a nice color like this. Now, we're ready to serve this, okay? If you're going to do like a family style, you can put it all in there. But if you're going to do, let's say, individual, I would just do it this way. I already have some sauteed zucchini with a carrot and a little bit of roasted pepper. Remember, we always talk about color and flavor. So, let's just do it this way. And this is very simple to do. You put 3 pieces is enough for a person, okay? Right here, okay? Look at this, beautiful, huh? Beautiful. Then you have the vegetable already here. You can use potato and everything, but I want to make a nice presentation with this. You see, just like this, okay? All right. Then we're gonna do it here, the sauce. You see, the sauce do not have to be thick, just like this, okay? This is great. Then we put the sauce all over the veal. Put a little extra. I love sauces, so in my opinion, I like my dishes always with a lot of sauce. Okay, so here we go. We have veal Francese with vegetable. Voila! The final product is here. Veal Francese with vegetable. You can do it with pasta. You can do it with potato, any potato you like. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to give it a like, subscribe to the channel. We need 1,000 subscribers and we're almost there. So with your help, I continue doing this beautiful dish. Thank you for attending this video. Don't forget to have a nice glass of wine. Chardonnay is good, Pinot Grigio is good, any white wine, whatever you like. Remember, it's your way. Thank you and God bless.